Hey guys, I am Hanzala and in today's video I am going to talk about Xiaomi's Notebook 14 series guys. So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. So my name is Hanzala Jawal and you are watching DU City. So let's get started. You got an A4 sheet size of laptop. Um, It is made up of an aluminium and a magnesium alloy, which provides you a metallic finishing, a premium look, as well as lightweight and a design. It is because of its lightweight, guys. You can carry anywhere, and it's a mercury gray color. You can open it in just a fingertip. Talking about its display, in this display you have got an 1080p IPS level display. You have not got any hertz of display, and with the 91% of screen to body ratio, and its bezels are thinner with an 3 nanometer with 3 sides, and the below is little hinges little bigger with a Mi logo. It has got an 16:9 aspect ratio with the viewing angles up to 178 degrees of viewing angle, so no matter where your theater is. And talking about the ports, it has got two USB 3.1 port, one USB 2.0 port, one HDMI 1.4b port, one Type C port to charge your devices, a charging port, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Moving to the CPU, it has got an 10 Intel CPUs guys. One is i7 10th generation and other is i5 10th generation. Through this you can get up to 16% performance, and in i7 10th generation guys, you have got 4.9 GHz Intel Turbo Boost, which through which you can use this laptop in a very convenient way. Moving to the graphic card, it has got an Nvidia GeForce MX G50 graphic card, which is okay for casual gaming, photo editing, and video editing. Talking about its game performance, in GTA 5 it gets up to 40 plus. In Fortnite it will get up to 70 plus. In Forza Horizon 4 it gets up to 45 plus. In FIFA 2020 it gets up to 60 plus. Moving to the RAM, it has got an 8 gigabytes of DDR4 memory with an 2666 Hz, and in storage it goes up to 512 GBs NVMe storage. To get the heat escape, it has got a big fan area so the laptops be cool always. Talking about the battery and the performance, it can last up to 10 hours of battery because of its processor. It's a power efficient processor. In box we get a 65-watt charger. We can charge 0 to 50% in just 35 minutes. For price, you can check it out here guys, and you can check the description for more information, and follow to my social medias to get the channel updates. The missing thing is this laptop is that guys, I don't have an web camera built in, and the Xiaomi has provided separately in the box guys. So the carrying with it, it can be misplaced by some agency or some reason sake, or and the good thing about not providing with the laptop guys, it's separately. Nobody can see you are can interfere in your privacy guys. So this is a good thing, and for some reasons it's a bad thing guys. And the second thing which I felt is the HDMI port guys. They have not provided the HDMI 2.0 port guys. So HDMI 2 port you can get the output up to 4K, but because of the HDMI 1.4b you can get the output up to 1080p. And the next thing which I felt is, guys, there is no Ethernet port, guys. So through this you can connect your data LAN port to internet port, so you can access the internet. So you have to be dependent on the Wi-Fi, guys. If Wi-Fi is not stable, you wanted to use the Ethernet port, so you can't use it. You have to buy external Ethernet port converter. So this I felt bad. So that's it in this video, guys. If you like this video, please do a thumbs up for this video, and subscribe to my channel to get your notification first. And this is Sanjala from DU City, and I will meet you in my next one.